I want to show you an opportunity that our traders took on the 21st, our traders and myself and everyone else here at the company, just to give you a sneak peek of what we're going to be looking at on our Thursday 10:30 trend signal trading session. Where you can join us, we'll talk about the trades we'll look later in that day, and just teach you how to use it in general, I suppose, to take money out of the market. So before we get jumping into the trade, it's this trade here. You can see this green sniper disc with a grey infill. I want to talk about the general state of the market, what that means, where this trade comes from, and then look at the ways that we can manage this trade once we've identified that entry point. So we're looking at the euro versus the USD, okay, the price of the euro versus the US dollar. We're looking on the daily time frame. We're looking at trading from 20 to 30 minutes a day, usually 9:30 to 10 o'clock for most of our clients. And what you can see here, this gray infill is telling us we're looking for the resumption of a previous trend. We're using a particular part of the D1 strategy called the accelerator. The accelerator focuses on, instead of trying to get the initial entry point and holding it all the way through the trade, what we do is we come in and out of the trade, making our capital move more efficiently, and we can free it up to move into more impulsive trades that happen in the meantime. So what you can see, and I'll demonstrate an example of this. Let's say you entered right at the bottom here. You're never going to time it perfectly, but we did get pretty close. But say you entered the trade here. What you need to ask yourself is it smarter to enter here, hold it the entire way up, locking up your capital? Because what happens in these markets, you get a move up, it goes flat. You get a move up, it goes flat. It pulls back, it goes back to flat. This is of course taking place over about 2 weeks. Shoots up, goes completely flat and pulls back. What the sensible trader will try to do when the conditions are right to be able to detect it, jump in for the impulse, pull your market out, go into something else that's more interesting, let it kind of twiddle around. Then when the conditions set up again, we jump in, we let it twiddle around a bit, find its support, come back, test the supports and resistance, and then shoot off again. That's exactly what we're looking to do with the accelerator strategy. That is what these grey circles are telling us, these grey snipers are telling us that we're looking to get into the continuation of the trend, which is this long-term buy over time. With that out of the way, let's have a look at what Trendsignal traders actually did on the 21st. Nice and simple. There are two tools that they use for this. Number one, the scanner tool. This would have told them to look at this market. We don't expect you to look through the full set of markets to be able to find these trades. The sniper is generated. The sniper will take you. The scanner will take you straight to it, so you can put that trade onto the market. They then use the TradeMate tool. Now, this doesn't sound very exciting, but it's a risk management tool essentially. What this does is it makes sure that you're trading these markets safely, you're not overexposing yourself, but it takes out the grunt work of working out the accurate pip costing. So just something that saves on a ton of time. It's how we really shrink the trading day down to about 20 to 30 minutes a day. So what they do, they load up this tool, they click the sniper disc. This generates a couple of different levels that you should pay attention to. The red is a stop loss, the green is a take profit. In this case, we're looking at a starter target. You can expand these trades out. We'll teach you how to do that as part of the session. But the starter target, we're looking for a 50 pip movement. And for people that entered in the close of this candle, just where my cursor is now, we shot through it in the next trading day. Not even an entire day, just a trading day. In, out. If it pulls back, if it continues, we don't care. We've taken our profit and we'll wait for the next opportunity to arrive on this market or one of the other 37 that we look across. To put this into context for you, 50 pips in a day. If you're trading at £1 per pip, a beginner trading size account, you're looking at 50 quid in your back pocket. If you're trading at £3 per pip, it's £150. If you're trading at £5 per pip, which isn't a crazy size, you'll be looking at £250 from one single trade. And as you can see on the scanner tool, on an average day, we have plenty of opportunities available. We have about 6 coming up later tonight. If you're interested in seeing the live trading session, Thursday 10:30, where we'll show you this, we'll give you the trades that we're looking for later in the evening. Come and join us. There should be a form around this video. We take questions the entire way through, and hopefully we can help you to make a little bit of money on the markets. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye for now.